In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old chats in Claude AI. If you've ever had a great exchange with Claude and later needed to revisit a detail, a snippet of code, or a decision you made, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to get back to those conversations. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along and find what you need fast. First, open Claude in your browser. When the page loads, you'll see the familiar chat interface. Don't worry about where you left off. We're heading straight to your history so you can locate older conversations without scrolling through your current view. Next, look to the left edge of the screen for the sidebar. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list of sections. Expanding the sidebar gives you access to the navigation you'll use for finding past chats. It's a small step, but it reveals everything we need. With the sidebar open, select Chats. This takes you to your conversation list, often labeled Recents. Here, your past exchanges are organized so you can quickly browse what you've worked on. It's a central place to return to whenever you want to review context, grab a prompt you liked, or pick up a project where you left off. Now, at the top of this Chats or Recents view, click the search bar. This is the fastest way to search across all your chats. Start typing a few distinctive words you remember from the conversation, project names, unique terms, or a short phrase you used. The more specific the keywords, the better your results. If you're unsure, try different variations like the topic you discussed or a term Claude responded with. You'll see results appear as you type, helping you zero in on the right thread without guesswork. There's also another way to do the same thing. In the sidebar, click Search. This provides another entry point to the same search capability for old chats. Use whichever route you find more convenient. Both methods let you quickly filter your history with the keywords that matter. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, expand the sidebar, go to Chats, use the search bar to look across your history, or choose the search option in the sidebar for the same result. Keep your keywords focused and memorable, and you'll find past conversations in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.